Hello today, viewers, and for you I have another eBay purchase. This is going to be a 10 Srang coin from 1949 from the now defunct Kingdom of Tibet. So let's get started. Oh my, this is going to be a multiple unwrapping one, isn't it? I'm going to get something sharper. Well, I definitely made sure you can't get this out. Wow. Oh, they actually have it in a plastic flip for us. How nice. Okay, here we have the 10 Srang coin from Tibet from 1949, and the guide says that it should be 32 millimeters in diameter, which I'm not going to put it right on the coin, but it looks like it is 32 millimeters in diameter. So, on the obverse of this coin is a snow line facing left in front of Mount Kailash, with two suns in the background, all surrounded by Tibetan characters within the petals of an 8-pelleted lotus. And the letters that are around it translate to the Garden Palace, victorious in all directions. And we'll show you the reverse, which has two mongooses predominantly displayed. Two mongooses facing a banner of victory over disharmony with Tibetan characters above, all surrounded by more characters within the petals of an 8-petaled lotus flower. And the translation it gives for the Tibetan characters is the religious and political government, cycle 16, year 22, 10 Srang. So overall, a very nice coin. So let's see what it weighs. According to the guide, it should weigh 16.7 grams. And we have it coming in at about 16.4 grams, which, given the accuracy of this scale, is right on the money. So this coin is made of billon, so it's anywhere from 10 to 30% silver. And at the grade this coin is at, it's worth between $60 and $70 right now. And I paid $49.21. So a little bit of an increase, but since Tibet no longer exists as a kingdom or country, I'm sure in time this coin will do nothing but valuate. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.